welcome back to Levent English Academy. Today we're doing lesson 12 in our business English course for A2 to B1 learners. Today we are going to talk about a problem that is very common at work. Has this ever happened to you? You scheduled a meeting and then something changes. Now you need to confirm, postpone or cancel. And you're not sure how to say this in English. So today I'll teach you how to do exactly that clearly, politely, by email or on the phone. A little tip before we start. In this lesson, we use a few important grammar structures. For example, would it be possible to change the time, or I'm afraid I won't be able to make the meeting, or just to confirm the online meeting today. So, before we start this lesson, if you want to review polite structures and conditionals, check out our B1 grammar course on leventenglish.com. There's a full lesson dedicated just to that. So, ready? Let's begin. Part 1, confirming a plan. So let's say you need to confirm a meeting or a deadline. Here are some natural phrases that you can use and just copy and paste or adapt it to your situation. Just to confirm, we're meeting at 3 p.m. on Thursday. Can you confirm that the call is still happening tomorrow? I'd like to confirm the delivery for next week. Is everything still on schedule for Monday? For example, hi Marco, just to confirm, we're still meeting at the office at 9:30 tomorrow, correct? Part 2, postponing or rescheduling. Now, imagine something came up and you need to move the meeting. Here's how you do it politely. Would it be possible for you to reschedule our call for Friday? Can we move the meeting to next week? I'm sorry, but I'll need to postpone our appointment. Could we push it back by a few days? For example, you could say, hi John, would it be possible to reschedule our meeting for Monday morning instead? Part 3, cancelling a plan politely. Sometimes you need to cancel completely. Here's how you say it in a respectful and professional way. I'm afraid I have to cancel our meeting on Friday. Unfortunately, I won't be able to join the call. Due to a last-minute change, I need to cancel our appointment. Let's find another time soon. For example, in an email, you could say, Dear Sarah, I'm afraid I need to cancel our meeting on Thursday. Would you be available for a new date next week? Now, as always, it's practice time. Repeat after me and try to focus on pronunciation. Just to confirm, we're meeting at 3 p.m, right? Would it be possible to reschedule for Friday? I'm afraid I have to cancel our call. Can we move the meeting to next week? Let me know what time works best for you. And finally, a wrap up. What have you learned today? Today, you have learned some key functions in the business English language. Confirm a meeting or a plan, reschedule politely, cancel professionally, and use everyday phrases that sound natural and respectful. Of course, as always, if you want more practice, visit leventenglish.com for the full transcript of this lesson, a list of key phrases to use and a practice quiz for this lesson. And of course, before you leave, let me know in the comments, have you ever had to cancel or move a meeting in English? What did you say? So thanks for watching, thank you for staying with me today, and see you soon in lesson 13.